What in the hell happened to the mail?
Let's get into the cook-up. I'm going to start off with a melody in D minor. I'll speed up the footage here to save time. Here's what I came up with.
It don't make sense to sit here all day doing nothing. So yeah, I'll have that time.
Let's get into the cook-up. I'm
Grand Rising, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Right now, we out here in Illinois. We out here in the west suburbs, headed towards Minnesota. We down like 528 miles to be exact. We got 6 hours, 21 minutes till we got to take our first break. And you know, we make a good time because you know, we still in Illinois, but we got past all the heavy traffic that starts up in the morning around like 6, 7 o'clock. We ain't all the way back there, like trying to cross through Indiana to Illinois, which is a beautiful thing. So hope everybody having a good Grand Rising today. You know, hope everybody woke up on the positive side. Hope everybody achieving their goals. You know, because the more you chase your goals, the more you take your dream and turn it into a reality. You know, it's always a beautiful thing. It's always a positive thing. But yeah, guys, I ain't really too much to see out here other than, you know, still rolling, guys. We ain't got that much longer to go though, but we'll definitely be done driving for today. So I'll see y'all in a second. Everybody, we is down to 266 miles. We got 3 hours and like 42 minutes left. No, we got 2 hours and 51 minutes left of driving, and then we got 4 hours and like 26 minutes till we actually get there, which is a beautiful. No, 4 hours and 6 minutes till we actually get there. Almost a trip. I don't know why I'm thinking of that number for the other number. But yeah, guys, we out here in Tolman, Wisconsin. Making good time. We're gonna be getting done real soon because we'll have to take a 30-minute break anyway. So you know, we should be probably in Minnesota by then, taking a 30-minute break because we only got 266 miles. So 2 hours is 120. 6 plus 60 is 120. That'd be 120 miles. So yeah. We'll probably be either in Minnesota 9 times out of 10, but if we're not, we'll probably be by the borderline because we still in Wisconsin at the moment. But yeah, guys, it ain't no snow nowhere. I mean, if anything, it's more like ice. But you know, we more than that, you can actually see the grass and everything, guys. So yeah, can't complain about nothing right now. The sun's shining, but right now it's kind of dim outside, but you know, it's still looking good and beautiful out here. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that like button. And just like that, guys, I'll see y'all in a second, man. We just pulled over at a curse trip, so you know your boy got to take a little 30-minute break so I can gain like 2 hours and 30 minutes because I only got 1 hour and 3 minutes left until we supposed to take a 30-minute break. But ain't nothing wrong with you taking it when you only got 1 hour and 3 minutes left, basically what I'm trying to say. But I'm glad because I came over here because they got a lot of more variety to choose from. They got a Dairy Queen, Grill and Chill. They got A&W's, they got a Hardee's, they got a Culver's, and you know, nasty McDonald's and all that type of stuff. But the good thing is, I know they sell like a fish sandwich at Culver's, if I'm not mistaken. So you know, your boy only eat fish, so I'm basically like a pescatarian, guys. But other than that, we here. The parking lot for Kurt's trip, you know, is right across the street. So, and the way I came in, you know, they only say trucks come in this way or cars come in this way. You just open lot, and you just gotta know where you're supposed to come in at. But we here. That's what the place look like, and I'll see y'all when I get done eating. Alright, y'all, your boy is finally at a pilot. We only got 48 miles to travel tomorrow, which is 41 minutes tomorrow in the morning. And right now it's currently 3:32. I've been here since like 3, then stopped, did my little post trip, got done around like 3:09. But man, guys, your boy is kind of beat from driving since 4:45 this morning, guys. But I can't complain about it because we is here and we only got like less than an hour to travel in the morning, so that's the beautiful thing about it. But this your boy Glo-Life for Zay, aka Zay. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video too. I'm gone. And right now your boy need to get some sleep, man. But we here.
Hey bros, what's going on? This is Cotton. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel good.
Alright, y'all, welcome to part 2 of Glo-Life for Zay, aka Zay. Your boy is here in Little Falls, Minnesota. Right now it currently don't look like nobody's here, but I seen a truck driver over there, but he probably waiting too, just like I'm waiting. Either he got live loaded yesterday, he just slept on a property, or you know, he just wait for somebody to come in the office where I'm at, so you know, we can get in the doctor. But right now, from what y'all can see, there's nobody over here, guys. You only got 2 trucks in the dock, and everything else is just empty. So with that being said, we here. I'm gonna go check in where the driver check-in is at right here and see if the door open. If it don't, just get back in my truck and wait, guys. But in the meantime, we is here, and I'll see y'all in a second, man.
Don't give them an opportunity to say you're doing anything you shouldn't be doing.
All right, everybody, we is finally in the dock, what you can see. And then when I first came in from from the highway, which is like a state highway. It's not a major highway, it's not an interstate, but it's a state highway. So we passed these docks coming in, and the docks that y'all seen from the video is on the other side. So I was just told to come over here. And, you know, they already signed your boy paperwork, so for just screenshot it so I can send it to my company. But I ain't gonna send it to them until I'm actually done, guys. But yeah, guys, we in the dock. Found out it's some dog soft food that be in the can like that, but I don't know what type of brand. But we in Barrett's distribution. So yeah, we got a full trailer full of dog food. So yeah, guys, y'all see what's going on, and I'll see y'all when I'm actually finished. All right, everybody, we headed to Fraternity, Minnesota. We got a 94-mile deadhead to get all the way there, and we gonna get there about 10:30 a.m. on Minnesota time. I think Minnesota's probably like Central Time still, so that's a good thing. So we ain't really losing no time at all. But we taking that all the way to Wisconsin, and we got delivered the load today too as well. So, and they open to 8:30 p.m. So we really got till tonight to drop it off at a reasonable time, which is a good thing. So, good thing is we're gonna drop it off tonight, then probably in the morning grab a load from Wisconsin, and probably just take back to the yard. Gonna probably try to get me a load for over the Monday morning. Try to drop off, but it's all good. I ain't tripping, guys. You know, it just is what it is. You know, but yeah, that's what we headed to right now. I don't know what I'm picking up, to be honest. So we'll find out together when we actually get there. So I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Everybody, your boy is here. He is finally here. Hopefully it don't take too long so your boy can get up on out of here. But this is what the place look like, and I'm gonna see y'all when I actually load it. I'll see y'all in a second, man, because there ain't really too much to do, or really try to make a long video to try to make it sound like it's bigger than what it is. But I'll see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, this is what we got on the back of our trailer. It's called some blending paper, from what y'all can see right here. Blending paper. So yeah, guys, that's what we got on the back of our trailer right now. And yeah, I'm probably finna put a strap right there, but y'all won't be able to see it. But I'm gonna put a strap right there just so I know it won't actually move or tilt over, because you know, with bumps, you know, they got a chance to rock back and forth like this, like I'm doing the camera. So you know, your boy gonna throw up a strap, and then we're gonna get started headed to Wisconsin. Everybody, we down to 100 miles. We got 2 hours left, and we making good time. We got 4 hours and 46 minutes until we actually got to stop driving for today. It's slowly winding down, guys. Boy, getting tired. I ain't gonna cap, but you know, we ain't there yet. But we're supposed to check in at 8:30. We started with 301 miles, and now we down to 100 miles. So y'all just do the math. Your boy been driving for a minute, but we finna get there around like 5:40. So I'm gonna check in. Hopefully, they can just put me right in the dock. Worst case scenario, I might have to come back at 8:30. Hopefully I don't. But if I got to, it's just what it is, guys. But yeah, guys, ain't nothing to really look at right now. But we out here in Toma, Wisconsin. We getting closer and closer. Alright, everybody, we out here in Wupong. We only 16 minutes away, 13 miles. I'm not gonna be able to really see me drop this load out because I don't want to stretch this video longer than I already have. But yeah, guys, we made good time. We finna get there around like 5:35 instead of 5:45, which is beautiful. But yeah, guys, y'all see what's going on. Ain't nothing else to see. It's your boy, Glo-Life Zay, aka Zay. Taking it in with another video, man. Peace and love and happiness. Y'all be gods and goddesses, man. Till next time. Peace.